Hi skaters. Today we're going to be talking about problems. When you break your brackets that hold your slide blocks or grind blocks on, this sucks. We've obviously had this happen. I'm sure you guys have too, because I know you guys have too, because we've had some questions now on how to avoid this from happening. So that's what this video is about. These were the Bigfoots. And they come with a strip of aluminum, basically a plain aluminum. I'm not sure the thickness here, but it's aluminum, and it's real soft, real lightweight. These are super lightweight. Jazz is running the disco blocks. They have a similar setup with the brackets set up the same way. And I'm running the Wild Bones, which have different brackets. They're not just a straight piece. They actually, if you look at the bottom, they flare out and they go out. I love the design of these, but they're really they are heavy. They're really heavy. So if you want lightweight, go with one of these two. So what happens here is when most people are running these Neo plates, right? The what are these? The
Reactor Neo.
The Reactor Neos, because they come with pretty much the Rydels and with the Moxies, right? They come. That's pretty much the stock plate that it comes with.
Well, yeah, one of the, I guess it's like the lower end aluminum plate.
Yeah, they're really nice. So the issue with these, it's not really an issue, just the way these are designed. There's a nut right there that sticks off the plate. So when you put your grind block or slide block, on, it can only go to that nut, which leaves a gap here at the bracket to the bottom of the plate. So there's a gap there. So when you're running these, what happens is when you slam down, bam, bam, on the coping, you know, it bends, pushes the arch up and bends the metal right here.
Yeah. And
what happens is it eventually breaks. So what I did here is I took these screws out, and I didn't take them out on this one because they just broke, but I took them out on this one, on the disco block. And I don't know if Jack can see that. There's some washers there. I just took the screws out and put some washers and filled the gap up, and I actually got a longer screw to fill up the difference. And that now it's got nowhere to go. It's basically bottoming out on the top of the screw.
Yeah.
It's not going to go any further. It's super solid.
These haven't bent or broken.
Yeah, you've been skating these for a while now, and they haven't moved.
Yeah, you can see the screws.
Yeah. So if you
With
do
the washer.
Yeah. So if you do break these brackets, you can buy them online in several different places, pre-cut, like 6-inch, and then you can drill. I don't know if they come with drilled holes or not.
The ones I've seen do, but it probably depends where you get them at.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, in our case, I actually went down to Lowe's, I think, and got a strip of aluminum. You can buy them in this width, same size, and I drilled out the holes and basically cut them and fabricated them and replaced them. So you can do that too. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. I know it's not always, you don't always know what to do when things break, and we've always had to learn by just figuring it out as we've gone. So but our videos are always about trying to help you guys with your troubleshooting and things like that. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button, and we just appreciate your all support. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again. See you guys later. Bye.